gotta go. You gotta go. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of theMillyLife and theMillyLife YouTube channel. If you are new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday and new exercise videos throughout the month. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss out. If you enjoy this video at the end here, please give it a thumbs up. Today, I am finally taking my bike in to Harley. The dealership that I like is about 45 minutes from us, so Matt's riding with me. He's got his cool new Thrash and Supply gloves on. They're sick. So we're gonna take her to into the dealer, and hopefully they're gonna fix whatever's going on, and yeah, we'll go from there.
That was my intro to the video I thought I was going to film. That unfortunately turned out much differently than I had planned. So prior to the trip, you see me getting ready.
Cool.
Looking all over the place for my sunglasses, which are actually on my face.
Oh, my sunglasses are on. I couldn't find my sunglasses.
And you even hear me say this.
All right, all the things are tucked in. I'm good.
We are driving down the road. This is like the first turn on our 45-minute trip to Quantico Harley Davidson. What's up, Quantico Harley Davidson? Thank you for working on my bike. So we are maybe 2 or 3 minutes into this trip. First thing I want you to notice is at the stoplight.
Something beeped.
I'm looking back at my camera, making sure it's still there. Second thing I want you to notice.
Okay, the pole's staying upright, so that's good.
Still looking back at the camera, I even tell Matt the stick is still there, it hasn't fallen down, because I've had some times where I've been riding, especially on faster roads where the stick falls. And then this happens.
Oh, fuck. What are we gonna do? Pull over? I'd rather go back in a car and stop. Fuck. Well, I was going to vlog our journey in here, but my 360 camera just fell off. So hopefully it's on the side of the road. Fuck.
A moment of silence. RIP to my Insta360 camera. So we ended up driving into Quantico. We dropped my bike off there. They were doing the 10,000 mile service and then gonna check out the squealing on the bike and the kind of awkwardness in turning different directions. Absolutely beautiful day to ride. I rode back on Matt's bike. My bike should be ready in the next day or so. They actually called us as I'm filming this today and said that there was nothing wrong with the wheel bearing and everything looks good. The ABS brake sensor wasn't like located in the proper place, so they are going to fix that, but nothing further at this point. Or we rode back, I had a client I was late for, had to rush out and do that, but on the way I was able to stop pull over onto the side of the road and I found my Insta360 camera. It's kind of funny, it recorded most of the time that we were gone, so it still works, it just looks like this. Oh yeah. Pretty deep scratches on the lenses, it still turns on, it still records, all those things. So I am going to try to buff those out, smooth those out, see what I can do. We did not purchase the Insta360 Care Plan, which it's like an extra 25-30 bucks, and you can send in a broken camera and they will replace it free of charge, and they'll pay for shipping and all those wonderful things. So RIP my Insta360 camera. Let's see if we can fix it, / maybe investing in a new one here, because those things are really cool. That's going to be it for today. I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with my bike. Hopefully I'm picking it up here soon. And don't worry, I still have my GoPro, so motorcycle vlogs, motorcycle videos will not stop. Thank you so freaking much for tuning in today. You guys freaking rock. And until next time, my name is Danielle. This is the Millie Life, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.